Sheet thickness changes. Cutting width changes. Your shearing machine should match the job. The TTMC hydraulic shearing machine series provides practical cutting solutions for sheet metal and non-ferrous metal processing, helping workshops and manufacturers handle different materials, sizes, and production requirements. Hydraulic drive supports smooth and powerful cutting, while the adjustable back gauge helps operators control cutting dimensions and achieve consistent results. Depending on the selected model, available configurations include front sheet supports, rolling ball tables, manual or electric back gauges, lubrication pumps, and optional CNC back gauge systems for higher positioning precision, with maximum shearing thicknesses from 1.6 mm to 6.5 mm, and shearing widths from 1,300 mm to 3,050 mm. The series covers applications ranging from light-duty sheet processing to larger metal fabrication work. Choosing the right machine starts with the material, not just the model number. Tell us your material type, sheet thickness, cutting width, and required production capacity. We'll help you select the right hydraulic shearing machine for your application.